Hey guys, Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. I'm about to take you through a step-by-step arm workout designed to give you massive arms, all right? We're gonna do two different triceps. A tricep for biceps and then one for triceps. So it's actually a really quick workout, a great workout, very intense workout. If you haven't done triceps before, it creates a lot of lactic acid, so a big burn. We're gonna do 3 different exercises for biceps. Back to back to back, 10 reps each, so it's basically 30 total reps. All right, and we're gonna do 3 rounds. I'm about to take you through one, but typically what you're gonna do is these 3 bicep exercises, rest 30 seconds, do the same 3 again, rest 30 seconds, and then do them a 3rd time. Then you'll go into the tricep. All right, but we're gonna go 1 round, and we're gonna start with dumbbell curls, and what you're doing with the dumbbell curls is pressing them together, all right? Shoulders back for 10. Mind muscle connection here, so focus on flexing the biceps. 8, 9, flex them extremely hard, 10. And then we're gonna do twisting curls. These are just standard supinating curls. 2, hard as you can. 3, good flex. 4, 5, 6. Again, utilize that mind muscle connection. Hard contraction at the top. Then you're gonna go straight into hammer curls. So straight hammers. 2. Again, don't use momentum, just focus. Make sure your biceps are doing all the work. 6, 7. Again, a lot of lactic acid. All right, so that's 1 round of your first tricep. You would wait 30 seconds and you would do that same thing again. All right, and then rest another 30 seconds and then go into your 3rd. All right, but what we're gonna do for the video, we completed the biceps. Now we're gonna do the tricep for the triceps. Same thing, 3 exercises, 10 reps each. And what we will do, one key point before I start these, I'm gonna use the same weight for all 3 of these exercises. I'm doing this workout at home, don't have a lot of heavy dumbbells. If you're at the gym or you have heavy dumbbells at home, feel free to use whatever weight you want for each exercise, all right? We're about to do overhead dumbbell extensions. Go straight into a close grip dumbbell press. Typically, you're gonna be able to press a whole lot more weight than you can do for extensions. So just keep that in mind. Only reason I'm staying here. Don't stay with the same weight if you don't have to. That being said, overhead. 1. And same thing, I'm doing a dual dumbbell extension. You can do 1 heavy dumbbell as well. 6, 7, 8, 9. Good stretch, good contraction. All right, then you'll go straight into your close grip dumbbell press. Basically, bring your elbows around. You want to tuck them into your sides. Stretch tries, and then flex your tries. All tries, flex. Don't turn this into a chest exercise. Don't bring them out and stretch your chest and press. Again, bring your elbows tight to your body here and press. Again, mind muscle connection. All triceps here, press. And we're gonna follow this up with a dumbbell skull crusher. Bring them here and back, get a good stretch in your tries. Nice stretch at the bottom, nice contraction at the top. 2. Same thing, 3 sets of 10 for each of these. 5. This is one of those workouts where you wanna focus on that mind muscle connection with every single rep that you're doing. Don't cheat yourself. Don't get any other muscles involved. Just make sure you're working tries. But all right, that would be the third exercise in that tricep. So again, if you need to rest 8 to 10 seconds to drop the weight down and get a heavier weight for your close grip, go ahead and do that. Just make sure you're moving as fast as you can between each exercise. 10 reps each one. At the end of the tricep, rest 30 seconds and then do your second round. Another 30-second rest and then do your third. But give this workout a try, guys. Great workout. It's gonna put a lot of size on your bis and tris. Quick, intense, doesn't take a whole lot of time, but it's extremely effective and extremely efficient. But comment below, guys. Let me know if you have any questions about the workout. Also, get the workout done. Come back and comment and let me know what you think. I want to hear your thoughts on how awesome this workout is. But again, subscribe if you haven't done so. Get some friends to subscribe as well. Don't want any of you guys missing out on any of these workouts we got coming out for you. But that's all I got. That's all I have for you. Get busy. God bless.